So today's video is probably going to be a lot quicker than a lot of my other videos, but I still thought it would be worthwhile to give you a visual that has really helped me during times when I've felt tempted to feel worthless. Picture a $100 bill. Now, let's say you crumple that $100 bill, and let's say you spit on it, and let's say you throw it on the ground and you step on it. That $100 bill, even if you've done all those things to it, is still worth $100 at the end of the day. Its worth never changed. And so from that visual, we can apply the same things to ourselves. Your worth doesn't change. Your worth doesn't fluctuate depending on your circumstances. It doesn't matter if you've succeeded or if you've failed. It doesn't matter who chose you and who didn't choose you. It doesn't matter if you went through all kinds of trauma or you had a pretty smooth life. None of that matters because none of that impacts your ultimate value and dignity as a human being. All of that remains untouched. And so the next time that you're tempted to feel like a worthless human being, remember that analogy of the $100 bill, and that even if it gets crumpled and stepped on, it's still worth whatever it was worth originally. And your value does not decrease depending on your circumstances. Okay, so I know that wasn't the 100% perfect analogy because obviously if you rip the $100 bill or if you set it on fire, then it's not going to be worth $100 anymore. So, not the perfect analogy, but I think you know what I mean. Just wanted to say that. So that's it. That's really, really short and sweet reminder, but I wanted to record this while it was on my mind. And yeah, if you like this video, as usual, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share this video with whoever you think needs to hear it. Until then, I'll see you next time.